My video guide is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called Beach Browser. This is the special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension called Beach Browser indicate that you will see beautiful beaches from around the world while searching the web. In reality, this extension actually operates as a browser hijacker. If it gets installed, it changes the default homepage, search engine, and even the new tab URL. So we recommend you to treat it with extreme caution. When you submit some search queries through the new tab called Beach Browser, you would notice that the results would be delivered by some other fake and unfamiliar and really unwanted search engines not chosen by the customers initially. So this is all happening because of this Beach Browser extension. We recommend you to remove this extension immediately if you are not happy with all such alterations into the way your browser operates. To remove this Beach Browser extension, access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions. If you see this extension, disable and remove it. In order to make sure that your system is free of any other possibly concealed threats, we recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and begin researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.